Hi. Uh, Now we are going to see there is a prime turning toolpath and a custom threading toolpath. This two toolpath is for the special purpose. This is the application specific. This prime turning toolpath is created only for Corotone tools, Sandvik Corotone tools. This custom thread toolpath is for the some special form of thread. Suppose manually if you form a thread profile and those thread you want to make, then that is used. These two things are a special purpose, so we are not covering it. Now we are going to see the point toolpath and the manual entry. These two things we are going to see in this video. This the point toolpath sometimes used in some special way. Those things we'll see. There is an option called the quick toolpath. So now we are going to see the quick toolpath now. It is similar to the all other toolpath. Only thing is it made your selection easy. Suppose example I want to make roughing from here to here. I will select the tool, left hand tool. You can see that there are many parameters are missing here. This toolpath means that it will make the work very fast. You can see in parameter also very less parameters are there. I just do use top for outer boundary. So I just rough stock I given 1 mm. So it just to speed up your work, nothing else. Remaining things are similar to normal toolpath. So in normal toolpath you used to go for a finishing toolpath. So if you take finish toolpath, it will not ask you for this select the chain. So directly it will come to the finish toolpath. This is what the quick means. So very fast you can make the uh, toolpath. So that's the reason it's called quick toolpath. So similarly there is a quick groove toolpath, but in groove you have only these three options: 1.2 on 2 point, and so you can see here 1 point groove. I just select. Okay, now you can give your width and other thing. Okay, and the width is some error has come. So just I'll shift my point because it is touching the okay, let me see now. You can see that it is okay because the width is so big. That's the reason it has shown error in the previously. So the quick means very fastly it will make the toolpath, that's all. So number of parameters you need to give less, and finishing also you are going to give less parameter in the finishing. So that's you know, in finishing toolpath you no need to select the geometry. all other parameters automatically it is taking. So you can see that it takes the reference of the previous tool. So this is all about the quick tool paths. Uh, Quick toolpath growing, you will not get the chain option here. It has give 1 point, 2 point under line only. Now we have made the toolpaths. Suppose the situation has come, I have want to make some special groove. We are going to use the point toolpath to use this grooving. Suppose I need a very small groove, so I'll go and I'll select one point over there. Okay, I have made one point, so I'll select point tool, point tool path. So start position Z0, select the point to wrap it. Suppose I select approximately G01. How much depth up to here? Okay, G00. 1. Next is G01. I need to reach this point. Actually, I need one more point. One more point I need it. Okay. I will just copy this point and translate to little down. Sorry, it should be in the X. I just 2 point I made as 1 point. At the same point I will translate at the top also. So now we have 3 points. Now we'll go on point tool path, turning, point tool path. The tool has to come up to there, rapid. From there to here it should be in rapid. Up to bottom it need to come in the feed. I need a tool which is a different type of groove. I will just modify this tool, otherwise I will modify this. Okay. Suppose if you need some different shape also, you can do it. 0.25, a very small groove unit. You can see that this groove is made by point toolpath. Like this, you can use the point toolpath. So very small width and depth, you cannot do it by groove toolpath. Even any shape, you can do it by any form tool. You can make any form tool and a small groove you want to do. So you can very well use the point tool path. So very small and thin groove you can make it by using the point tool path. Okay. This manual entry I have already told that this is to give information or instruction to the operator. It will come in the program. Once you generate the program, it will come as a message. So that message will help to the programmer to understand what the operator, what the programmer wanted to convey the information is known to him. You can see here. So like this, the command is going to come. So any command. So this point tool path, wherever you want, you can add it. and give information to the machine tool operator. Okay. So far we have seen what is a point toolpath, how to use the point toolpath, how to use the manual entry, and what is the quick toolpath. So we will see in the next class CAN cycle. Okay. Thank you.